So what we see going on and what's happening here is we want to change that which is normal. And we describe what is normal. Amen. See, the natural use of a woman in procreation, it is a male and a female, because it is impossible for a male and a male to procreate. That is impossible. I want to repeat that. That is impossible for a male and another male, or a female and another female to procreate. It's an impossibility. It takes the sperm of a male and the egg of a female in order for there to be procreation. And that's seen throughout all of nature.